Washing your Skechers in washing machine
So
using Temu
these are
bag.
my favorite shoes, but look at their color. ये jet white थे और अब देखें ये तकरीबन ग्रे हो गए. So let's wash it in the Temu bag. I just purchased from Temu. मैंने थोड़ा सा सर्फ डाल दिया अपनी मशीन में. And I'm going to put them in this bag जो भी Temu से आया है. And let's see if it really cleans or it's just a myth. Hopefully my shoes survive because I love them very much. It's from Skechers and they are very comfortable to wear. So let's put them inside like this. Okay, and दोनों एक ही side पे रख दिए. And now I'm going to zip it up. So this is how my shoes are, and let's open the washing machine. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hopefully it will clean it, and I'm going to start it. I think 15 minutes would be enough, otherwise the fabric might hurt. So let's wait for 15 minutes and hope for the best. I have pressed on the start button, but the water hasn't come yet. Oh, now it's time. It has started, so let's wait for the 15 minutes and hope for the best. My favorite shoes are inside. I love this machine very much, and hopefully it will clean my shoes as expected. Here it is. Let's open and check how our boots have turned out. It looks nice and sweet. Oh wow. Not a bad though. ये इतने ज़्यादा साफ नहीं हुए हैं, but little better than before. So let them dry in the air. So I will rate this bag 7 out of 10. Thanks Timo. Bye.